Hi, I'm Loretta, and welcome to Real American Conversations, where you can learn to speak English through real American conversations. I will be talking to and interviewing friends, family, business owners, other farmers, and we will be having real conversations, not textbook, no robots, and there will be subtitles so you can follow along and not only see how the words are spoken, but also read them to help with your vocabulary. So come along, keep learning, choose to shine, and join me at Real American Conversations. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of the conversations, and we'll see you on the farm.